what rhythm style you want. When you do, you'll be happy you do. Oh, the sounds of the GENOS, they will haunt you. The sound of the GENOS, it's the thing that I love. Oh my gosh, it's much better than the motif. Oh motif, you're so wonderful, but please move over, 'cause I just can't go wrong with the sound of the GENOS. Had a chord Triton once. It didn't have everything I needed. Oh, but the sounds on it, they were so great. Oh, but I have this one. With the GENOS, you can be happy. Never will you be conceited. Once you play every instrument on here, you'll be so very glad. It's the sound of the GENOS. When you hear it, you'll smile. You want to do all the recording that you want to, and you'll tell all your friends that this keyboard's so great. Oh, you just can't go wrong with the sound of the GENOS. It's the sound of the GENOS. When you play it, you'll see what I mean. The reverb drums, they are so awesome. And the electric guitar, it is the cream of the crop. Oh, you just can't go wrong with the sound of the GENOS. Play it, Alien. Sound of the GENOS. When you hear it, you'll see just exactly what I'm trying to tell you. You may push it aside for the Triton or motif, but you just can't go wrong with the sound of the GENOS. The sound of the GENOS. Don't hold that note too long. Come on now. Sound of the GENOS. Would you stop that? That's better. The sound of the GENOS. Oh, don't cry. There's nothing wrong with it. It's okay. The sound of the GENOS. Hey, listen, SAXY. It's okay. Hey, if I tell you not to hold a high note so long, will you not get angry with me? Alright. Let's end this, okay? Oh, it's the sound of GENOS. You will see once you played it.